Hello guys, welcome to Tech Bias. Today we're not going to talk about any tech product. Today we're going to talk about Fantom Wallet. I don't know if you are like me, but I don't use my wallet in the back pocket. I use it in the front pocket, and it's been very difficult for me to find something that has everything that I'm looking for in a wallet. For me, it's important that all around 10 cards or more has a RFID blocker and the money clip. That's very important for me, and the Fantom Wallet has all that I need. So let's open this and check what is inside. This is the RFID version. I believe is the Fantom R, and this is the carbon fiber version. You can see it there. This is a 13 cards version, and I bought it with the Fantom money clip and the titanium colors. You have different options, so you can go to the website. I'm going to leave all the links on the description below, so you can find out more about this product. Okay. Here we have the money clip, so small. And the tools to put in the wallet. So let me take all this down. Okay. Okay, it's gonna be here. Okay, let's this on. You have another option. I believe they have a S version and the R version. This is the R version, the one that have the RFID blocker. You have a cheaper version that is a S. I believe it starts on 54.60. Don't quote me on that. I'm going to leave all the information and the link in the description below, so you can see it by yourself. Okay, here we have you have different options on the colors on the wallet, and as well as the money clip. So we're done with this, and I have some main cards here, so you can have an idea how this is going to look all together. I think we have, let me count this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's try with 8 first. Okay, you have plenty of space here. You can put more. As I say, this is a 13 cards version, so okay. Go. This is how it looks with all the cards inside. What is good about this is if you need something that is inside this, you have to pull this, and all the cards are going to be out like that. We put it on this camera and like this. So satisfying. She did this. I know that the cards are wide, so maybe my light is putting this too bright or too wide, and maybe it's going to be a little bit difficult to show you that, but it looks so good. So let me see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have 13 cards. That's what they claim. This is a 13 card version, and I have some money here, so let's put this on the clip. It's really strong clip. That's what I look on a wallet. I don't like the magnetic clip. I don't know if you like that, but it didn't work for me. So that's so good. This really strong. So it's like this is a little bit heavy. It has some weight, and it's not going to lift it out just as easy. So this is how it looks with everything inside. It's so good. It's so good. Let me show you how it looks. Your pocket, if you want to put it like this, it's good. It's so good, and it's so satisfying. It's just, you need something, just pull that out. So there you have it. Fantom Wallet, the R version, carbon fiber, titanium clip, money clip, and this is the RFID block version, and I believe it's the R. They have a NAS version that is a little bit cheaper, and I'm going to leave all this in the description. Remember, if you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notifications when we upload new videos, and all the links are in the description below. So if you like this video, please give us one of this, and see you in the next one.